Hi everyone! Today I came up with this easy reversible coaster and I decided to make a video and post it right away. So it's a simple base with the popcorn edge. And why is it reversible? Because this is one way to use it. And if you have a bigger cup, you just flip it and have a lot more room to fit a bigger cup. It looks great on both sides. It's very easy and fast to make. So for this coaster, I'm using the sugar and cream yarn. It's a 4-ply cotton yarn. This color is Jade Mist. It recommends using a 5mm hook. I like to use a smaller one. In this case, a 3.75mm. It's an F. And yeah, let's get started. So to begin, we need to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers with the short end on the left. Wrap it once, form an X, pull up a loop, hold this with your 2 fingers and chain 1. Okay, now into this magic ring we need to make 10 half double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So this is your first half double crochet. And repeat, yarn over, insert into the magic ring, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm gonna pull this short end. Okay, and to join I'm gonna slip stitch into the first half double crochet, not into the chain 1. So go under this V here, pull up a loop and slip stitch. Okay, this is row number 1 completed. Now chain 1. In this round we are going to increase in every stitch. So yarn over into the first stitch. We have to make 2 half double crochet. 1 and another one into the same stitch. By the end of this row we should have 20 half double crochets. Okay, again 2 half double crochets in every stitch around. Okay, let's make sure. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 half double crochets. Now I'm gonna join into the first half double crochet, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Okay, this is round number 2 with 20 half double crochets. Now chain 1 again and into the same stitch we'll make again 1 half double crochet, increase into the next. That means 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. And then repeat this sequence. 1 half double crochet, increase into the next, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. By the end of this row you should have 30 half double crochets. And 1, 2. Now the same, we'll join into the first stitch, so make a slip stitch, and you should now have 30 half double crochets for this round. Now chain 1 again and into the same stitch make a half double crochet, a half double crochet into the next, and now the increase into the third one. So 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Okay, and repeat. 2 half double crochets, 1 increase. Again, 1, 2, and increase into the next. Okay, and this is the last increase, and by the end of this row you should have 40 half double crochets. Now join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Okay, I'm gonna place a stitch marker into this stitch. And this row is gonna be slip stitches all around. So slip stitch, slip stitch into the next, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 39, and 40 into the slip stitch, into the stitch with the stitch marker. Okay, so we've made a slip stitch Here, now locate the next slip stitch and go behind it. We'll be working on top of the previous row. The slip stitch row, we just ignore it. So slip stitch into the next stitch in the back. Remember, not in the slip stitch that we just did, but in the back. Slip stitch in this one. Now chain 3, which will be our first double crochet from the next round, and make 3 more double crochets into this round, into this stitch. So we now have 4 double crochets. Take your hook out, insert your hook into the 3rd chain, right here, and pull up this loop. Okay, and now chain 2, skip the next stitch and repeat. Yarn over, so skip the next, into the next, make 4 double crochets. Take out your hook from the front of the first double crochet, pull this loop like so, and chain 2. Okay, repeat this all the way around. Yarn over, skip the next one, into the next. Remember, we are working on this back loops. Okay, 4 double crochets. Go from the front, pull up this loop and chain 2. Again, skip the next, into the next, 4 double crochets. Okay, I'm here at the end, so I'm gonna make my last popcorn stitch. You should have a total of 20 popcorn stitches. Okay, and chain 2. And now join at the top of the first popcorn stitch. So just make a slip stitch there. Okay, and chain one, and you can cut your yarn. I usually leave a longer tail so I can weave in. This is what it looks like. And the other side. Now I'm gonna hide my ends. Okay, I'm gonna go under all of these stitches. And then go back, so this way that yarn is not coming out. And cut. And the same for this one. I'm gonna go down these stitches. Okay, now go back. That should be enough. Okay, and there we have it, a completely reversible, easy coaster. So I'm gonna show you again. The glass fits perfectly. It looks great. And this is the other side. You can even use this as a little tray for stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. This will help me a lot, and we'll see you next time.